Tata stands for the trust. There are no need to say, at least in the Indian corporate market, that what Tata stands for.
I've been working with Tatas for almost 18 years now. I know what Tatas is. I know what the value system of Tatas is.
Brand is standing for trust.
Just love the quality and the design and like everything. I love it.
This concept was Tata's was bringing in. The glass facaded building was something that I had seen internationally. Very prominently in Singapore, you will see these kind of apartments.
Overall, it's been designed intelligently.
The quality of work, if you see, it is better than any players who is close to this vicinity.
But one thing which struck me about this project was the visual appeal, the openness, and a feel-good factor which I felt as I walked into the project, which was very important for me.
When we talk about even parking with charging stations, but Tata has already thought about it and they have put it.
Nowadays I really don't crave to go to different places also. So each of the rooms has a very beautiful view. So I think I have got my dream house.
Basically, we are looking for a gated community with all the amenities.
We have a very interactive community living.
Food, shopping, then everything is nearby.
Each age group has its own place available around.
Kids area, if you see, they are loaded with things. So me and my husband and I also get some quality time to spend with her with different things which we can't provide everything at home.
I will mostly do skating because skating is one of my favorite hobby and I really like skating.
A lot of open spaces over here for the kids to play freely.
We have all these facilities. We need the gym, the pool, and well-kept garden, and all manicured. So that is another thing.
So the amenities, it's very well thought of from all aspects.
They have good sports facilities, which I think is the need of the hour for anybody.
It has that style, and at the same time you can call it your home.
Life is easier in this place compared to the independent houses.
In years to come, it's going to be like a comfortable, ancestral, beautiful house. This is a dream come true, and having a good family time together. So it's really nice to be at Tata.
Thanks God, now we are a permanent family member of Tata Housing, because it was not only for my dream, but it was a dream for my whole family to be associated ourselves with Tata organization.